era que ella tuvo a Leo. Yo choraba. Yo choraba. There you go. Era creo mucho. No era para experience. I record this shit. Na mkesho ndio ndio kwa idea ndio wode nikuno na kwa ndio mke jo akire obesha ndio 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 mke Gera umene Amerika modo ninde kana odore no rapata mo babo ndio mwera muno ndio oko ndio era doshi ni ndio ko ekemo
Tim with Complete Tree Service.
You're right. How was your job? How do you like your job?
I recommended it was a touch and go. I mean, it was a big tree.
Yeah.
It was a dangerous tree.
Yeah.
But it's eliminated all the problems of the limbs falling on your
That's
home,
right.
your neighbor's home,
Right.
and everything. Your children playing out here with a trampoline.
Right. How is your experience? How long you done this job?
I've been doing this since 1976 now.
1970, so it's about more than 40 years.
Yes, sir.
And you like it because it's career now?
Yes, sir. I made a living doing this, and I'm proud of my work. And I don't ask nobody for no money up front until I complete the job.
Right.
And they totally satisfied, and then that's
right.
how I get my recommendations for other jobs and stuff.
Exactly. So after you finish your school, teenager time, do you have any idea to what do this job before?
No, I started when I was 16 years old.
Right, 16 years old.
My father-in-law, at the time, he done tree work, and some other people I knew in my family done tree work.
Right.
And that's where I started dragging limbs and raking yards with them and stuff and everything, and it just coming part of my blood.
Oh, right. So that's your job now. That you are career.
Yes.
I like your experience because you've done this job for across my neighbor here. And therefore I have no idea what you bring you two guys because it look like big tree. I have no idea you can pursue to do this, but I appreciate your job.
I appreciate
so
you.
you afraid the same thing? You work with
Yes,
me a long time ago, or maybe you are working with one different, another?
Yes. Well, I'd just like to say I really appreciate working for you, your brother over there,
My
and
brother
all the people in this neighborhood.
Right.
And if anybody needs any work done,
Right.
you can call me Tim Lowry, Complete Tree Service,
Yeah.
907-8909.
Right. Can you come close to my camera and say your number, your name, and how can get you? Because I'll go who you are.
Yes, my name is Tim Lowry, Complete Tree Service. My number is 205-907-8909. If you need any kind of work or anything done with your trees, please give me a call. Thank you very much. God bless you.